land of Guyana, of rivers and plains. I'm a real Guyanese. From the time when I step on the scene to the moment me leave, I'm a real Guyanese.
Got no friend this money, boy.
Magic man here like you.
Oh, got no friend this money. I gotta get some more magic, man. I got some money here, man. I gotta get a couple more dollars for him. You could learn to buy a thing.
Oh, magic man, this is.
Tell me magic man,
You show me a magic and you win something, magic man.
But me is not no magic, I can't perform magic.
No. Remember now, I show you one and if you can do back one, you win me.
Alright, good.
Don't know.
Area happy, right?
Don't know. 2 grand funny, babe.
A chair.
2 grand funny, babe. Don't let you run.
You put a 2 grand, right?
Go, 2 grand funny, babe.
If you show me a magic, put some charge there.
No, I got you. What
If
is
you
it?
show me a magic, if you want.
Good, right? See this here, so? See your 3 jacket, right? What is here, so good. I take 3.
Yeah.
Put it there, right? Good, what is here now?
Alright, good. Let's see.
Good, what's here? I put the card, you put a jack.
Alright. So, where's the magic about?
No, I can show you that, hey, I can get back, you 3 jack and tap.
You go get back these 3 jack.
Yeah,
you go get back me a 4 jack in a pack bag boy. I don't have 3 jack. Oh, you can get back. Alright.
Man, what is here, good.
Card.
Put one.
I put another one.
I put one more.
I put another one.
Good.
Let's see get back me charge bag boy. Let's see get back me charge bag boy.
I didn't see it, sir, right? I didn't see it. What do you see? Right, there's on 2, right?
This.
What do you see?
What?
Don't speak, don't take a get back door, you don't know what you had. What do you see? So this is me own. It's me own.
Yeah?
It's me own.
It's a PV.
It's me own.
What?
So, bam.
I could tell you do why?
What's your body, you know?
What? You don't want to.
Man, push your body, man. You what?
Like I want shit, boy. This milk you this man like I want shit.
Big guy, I want to show me a magic, man. No want shit now.
I got something. Soon use a magic, man, right? I got something for you to do, right? Soon use a, if you can't do it, plus what here, so. Hey, they say, do everything here, so. What here?
Everything the one time.
But if you can't do it, it's me. Everything is me.
Go, show me fast.
Hold on. Watch here.
What?
This paintbrush here, right?
Good.
A bucket of paint, right?
Good, lad.
What this shit, man? Catch me fat and paint it in blue.
Well, like it's called fat, right?
What? Say, magic man, this is so is million. Ade, million Granger. Oh yeah, later on, money.